I can't save up. I beg my body nothing, my devil I favor.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, I say the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Wagwan viewers and subscribers from your device, you know it's your boy Soji TV with the next review, and me I say intense. You know drop no song from what day, but me I tell you my artist, I say any song where you drop, them song are always a hit and a bad song. And me I say viewers and subscriber, intense drop a song titled New Gear. Yes man, the artist attack some things where are go on in earlier. You see me? Some little bad mind people and some little people who want to try draw your energy. You have to lift up something for them, man. You know, and intense I say, you know, say for year you just new gear, you know. Whole heap of things in more accumulate in a new year. And then negative vibes, you see me? Be a positivity, cause for young youths, them and the ghetto youth, them nowadays, you know, if I know police, a bad man. And right now, the artists, them a make you know, say, and everybody in a garrison, I see them thing, you see me? You have some people in a garrison where hold up them head, you see me? And know, say, yo, mommy may have this, you know, daddy may have this, you know, so me I go out there to make mommy and daddy have this, you know, and me I say, that the content them I get from this song where intense drop, viewers and subscribers. Me not truly listen all up a intense song, you know, but me I tell you viewers and subscribers, when the man drop a song and the song bad, Soji TV Entertainment have to make you know, say, yo, intense out here I go and put in your work, you know. No joke, viewers and subscribers. So I want to know guys go over Intense Vivo and make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment send him over there. Yes man, and make him know say he need to write some more song like this. More song from him art, you know. Yes man, cause and every time a badness and a gunshot and them thing the song work, you know. You know? You have to have some conscious song and make youths them know say I'm here. Book and pen do the work, you see me? Jacket and tie, you see me? Yes man, cause to we see it, you know, we in a 4th generation nowadays, you know. Them a 4th generation youth, yeah. Them a tell you like how it is, you see me? Them not hide and talk, them a tell you like how it is. So when you hear all them Joshy and them man, they come and talk it truth, brother. And enough of them they you know go hear, so prepare for it. Because we not hide and talk, we not hold on with mouth. All the time we know say it a go kill, we a go talk here and know say yo, we have to make this world a better, because enough time our system all we don't see him and the system try to hide a lot of things from we, you know. You see me? And when the artists them experience it and I write it in a song and I make some of the people them experience it. The experience it. Then hold on for the artist them and do some whole thing and try to shadow down the artist them. So we have to big up the artist them where make we know say yo, yes man, go and hold up your head, you know, and go and write a song them, you see me, cause a this way money there. And me I say yo, intense, go and do the right thing man. Yes viewers and subscribers, please remember to like, share, subscribe to Soji TV Entertainment for the latest update.